Good morning. Good morning. This is not the look I'm going for today. Today I think that this is going to be all about my hair. Last night I decided that I would put some plaits in my hair, and of course my plaits won't stay without me banding it. So I guess this morning I'm wearing a braid out. I was just trying to get a different look today. I was trying to get a different look today, and so I put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 braids. 7, because one's within the other. And the bigger the braids, the easier they are to take out, I realize. And now that my hair is longer, I can make my braids bigger. I want to say thank you again to my subscribers. I've noticed that I have a few more. And remember that we're on our way to 250 subscribers. Have I seen 200 yet? No. But faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. So I'm believing 250 is right around the corner. And in order for this to happen, I need all my viewers to share. So I need you. I need you to continue to watch, and I need you to share the videos. All right, you guys, this took me all of 5 minutes and 29 seconds. It was so amazing that this weekend, my sister was amazed at how much my hair had grown. When we were growing up, my hair was always longer than hers, but she has traditional locks, and so her hair is all down her back, but she keeps it up in some sort of updo every day. So I have Sisterlocks she's just so impressed with the growth. And I'm just sending a shout out to Sharon Morton this morning, saying thank you for the encouragement and letting you know that I love you, sister. I love you a lot. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you later. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Okay, I'm back because I wanted to do a variation to this style that I did not have to leave this side hanging. So I take this bit of hair, this, and it looks as though I was going to flat twist, but I'm not. And I'm going to use a goodie clip to hold this back. And there it is. And that's my style. Thank you for watching.